Hello and welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. We're looking at Usdjpy. So touching on from last week, was we had that bearish move to the downside, breaking that upwards uptrend that we did have here. But as you can see, we've slowly retraced back inside now. So it's almost important here as a teachable lesson is to be patient and never just trade off the bat from a breakout. I always like to stay patient. And anticipate a more strategic entry point. So we have two reversal zones here, the one in yellow, which I do anticipate price to come to. So this is basically at 108.53. What I'll be doing is to wait and see if price is able to come back into the zone and see if it can close below. And then wait for that and anticipate a pullback, so that we want to see some weakness here, some slowing down of momentum, wick rejection to the upside, etc. And then that bearish sentiment to the downside. That would be my ideal place to short here. Now, the other position that I'm keeping an eye on is also the red reversal zone here. So that's at 109.2. I'll ultimately see if this can retrace back up to here and see if it is able to close above, and if it is able to come back inside for that pullback, slow that momentum again, and that wick rejection to the downside, and then see if we can get a bullish momentum push to the upside from there. Also, if that fails to happen, if price fails to close above but does reach into this red reversal zone, I will be seeing if we could take some possible shorts here, just depending if the bearish sentiment is strong, but it has to break this downtrend first before I do consider taking that short. So as long as I find that wick rejection here, and it's strong that we are reversing from here, then I will consider taking a short as long as we break this uptrend as well. So they're the two areas that I will be looking at. Hopefully we are able to get into another position with Usdjpy, but ultimately we'll let the market unfold and stay patient in this particular pair. So yeah, that will be all from us. If you do particularly enjoy any of our videos and they are providing a little bit of benefit to yourself, make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel for future analysis videos, of course. But ultimately, thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you next week.